The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello, I'm Feifei and this is the English we speak. I'm with Rob. Hi Rob, how are you?
Oh, hi Feifei. Yeah, I'm fine, but I just can't understand why you've brought me to a railway station.
Isn't that obvious?
No. And what's that piece of paper you're waving in your hand?
Oh, this! This is a ticket.
A ticket? Why would you bring me to a railway station and show me a ticket? It's cold and we could be in a warm studio presenting this programme. And anyway, don't you know it's my birthday and we're supposed to be going out to celebrate later?
I know it's your birthday. You told me last week. And you said something about wanting a present that was just the ticket. So, here it is.
Oh, Feifei, I didn't want a ticket. When I said just the ticket, I meant I wanted something that was exactly what I wanted or needed. You know, a camera, a computer game, or maybe a nice bottle of whiskey.
Oh, right. I see.
Oh dear, what a wasted trip, Feifei. But now we're here, let's hear some more examples of the phrase, just the ticket.
Oh, I feel terrible. I've got a cold and my nose is blocked, but a drink of hot honey and lemon would be just the ticket to make me feel better.
I think a new art gallery will be just the ticket for improving the image of the town and encouraging more people to visit.
Our car's got 7 seats, so it's just the ticket for taking all the kids to football practice every week.
So, that's just the ticket, which describes something that is exactly what is wanted or needed. OK, Rob, you wanted something for your birthday that was just the ticket. Well, you're looking at it.
You, Feifei?
No, Rob. This ticket, in my hand. Have you actually looked at it?
OK, let me see. Oh, wow! A train ticket to Paris. For me! Ha! That's really generous of you. Thanks, Feifei. When do we go?
We? No, it's just one ticket. I couldn't afford to. Now look, the train is about to leave, so you had better go. Have a good trip.
All right. I'll be off then. Bye.
Bye, Rob. Phew. 2 days in the office without Rob. That is just the ticket for me.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.